I'm going to try pouring some liquid nitrogen over the poles of this strong magnet to see what happens. Well, that doesn't look like a whole lot happening, except for maybe the magnet getting cold. Well, let's try doing the same thing with some liquid oxygen. Hey, check it out. The liquid oxygen sticks to the magnet. And it looks like it has a slate blue color, too.
Discovered in Sierra Leone, Africa in 1991, the skystones of Sierra Leone are unlike any other rock ever discovered because even though the rocks are clearly blue, they do not match any of the known minerals found within the common blue rocks such as lapis, turquoise, or arenite, which, just like every other blue rock that we know of, is on the heavier side. But that's not the case with the skystones, which are incredibly light. And after intensive study and testing, including X-ray gas plasma and one of the more recent infrared spectrometer analysis, it has been determined that we don't know shit about these stones because for some reason they are made up of nearly 80% nitrogen, which makes no fucking sense because that would make this an organic compound, which rocks are not. And before you say something mean in the comment section, I'm talking organic living, not organic source or fossilized origins, which actually doesn't even matter because the molecular structure that make up the skystones does not occur anywhere else on this planet, man-made or natural.
Tonight I wanted to show you guys this cool new program that I found called Panorama Maker, and it allows for total automation of huge moon mosaics, like way bigger than you would expect. And this has kind of revolutionized how I do my my lunar photography myself, because I don't know about you guys, but as a deep sky imager, I don't know what any of the craters on the moon are, and like if I try to do a mosaic where I'm like deep in the middle of the moon, I don't know where I am.
A few moments later.
Well, I have my mount connected, my camera connected, and everything else. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open Moon Panorama Maker and get this thing ready to roll.
A few minutes later. 2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later.
I'm also going to rotate the image 180 degrees because I don't like the moon in that
A few inches later.
I'm also going to rotate the image 180 degrees because I don't like the moon in that orientation. Okay, the moon is flipped.
Oh, the sun's starting to come up.
I'm also going to rotate the image 180 degrees because I don't like the moon in that orientation.
A few inches later.
Okay, the moon is flipped. I'm also going to crop this just to save on memory, you know, because we don't need that.
Oh, the sun's starting to come up.